Welcome to Integrity Data. Today we're going to be going over the Manager mobile app for your advanced time and attendance. This app is used for supervisors and administrators to be able to check on their employees, approve timesheets on their employees, approve time off, and basically get an overall feel of what and where the employees are at without having to be on a laptop or a desktop PC. So from your Play Store or the App Store, go ahead and search for PrimeNet Manager Mobile. And as we go down, we see a couple of PrimeNet things in here, but the PrimeNet Manager Mobile app is the one you want. You'll click on it. I already have it installed, but you would have the option over here to install it. So you would go ahead and install, and then you could open it. Once open, you'll need the server URL, which is HTTPS, and then colon, the two dots, // These are where the top of the slashes go towards your right shoulder, and then time.idhrp.com. You'll enter your login for the software and the password that you created when you activated your account. Then we're going to select login. And I've only got one company for this particular supervisor, so I go ahead and click continue. And now I need to select a pay period. If I wanted to see what was going on during the current pay period, I could, but I'm going to go down here to last pay period. I've got two pay periods in here. I've got the 200 and I've got the 100. So my data is on the 100. I'm going to go ahead and select the 30th through the 15th. That brings up my employees. If I like what I'm seeing on the totals, I'm looking at regular, overtime, double time, their total time. And if these look good, I can go ahead and click over here to the right and choose sign off. And once I choose sign off, that will sign off for the employee. Well, clicked on the wrong employee there. Let's see. Larry has some time in here, so I'm going to click on Larry. And this brings me to his timesheet. I can see these are missing punches. I can see the different items that he has in his time card. And I can see, because he has a schedule, he was marked absent on the days that he did not clock in. Now, I can swipe to the right, and I can delete a transaction, or I can edit the transaction. Down at the bottom, I have PTO request. I'm already on the employee screen here. PTO request, exceptions, and approvals. So if I look at PTO request, I can see my employees that have requested time off, view their notes that they added to the request, click, or I have to click because I'm on a computer, but you can just slide to the right from a phone, and I can approve or deny this request. My resolve is just the requests that have already been approved or denied, where you could go in and unapprove one and bring it back into pending, and then you could reject it or approve it if need be. My exceptions, these are going to list all of the missing punches that I need to resolve. And again, I can slide to the right, edit what's here, complete the punch by adding the other side to it, or delete the punch. If I needed to add a punch for an employee, let's say an employee came up for whatever reason they couldn't clock in, I can click the plus down at the bottom, select the employee, and then fill out the information here as needed, choosing whichever type of punch it was that I needed to give this particular employee. Back to my exceptions here, and I can see who's got what. And again, you just slide to the right to be able to edit these. Back over here to my approvals. And I can select up here, select all. That's everyone. Oh. And then I can sign off or reject all of these at once so that I don't have to go one by one to sign them off. Click my arrow to go back. Up here, I also have a shortcut to the menu where I can get into the time management, change my companies, or go into the different settings for the phone or device that you're using with this. That's a look at our Manager mobile app and the functionality within the Manager mobile app. I hope this helps you throughout your day. Thank you for watching.